I've been gone for oh my fucking god, the mic. Alright, hold on. I gotta fix this. Oh my I've been itching to record something. It's been a week since I've been recording. I think it's been longer than that. I'm not even gonna lie. I've got you the recording that you needed the most. For my 16 subscribers, they need it. Like, what would they do without me uploading? I feel like they'd spaz out or something. I don't know. So for my 16 subscribers, I'm gonna play a horror game for you, since that first video that I uploaded, it hit 10 likes, so I have to play another horror game. Am I excited? No. Is it content? Yes. But I've always wanted to have something. Ever since I was a little kid, I've always wanted 20 subscribers. If you watched the whole video and you enjoyed it even a little bit, why not subscribe? Maybe even like, they're both free. It's free to do. I'm outside your window right now, so you best subscribe, or I'm gonna come inside and fucking shoot the fuck. You probably heard of this game, but it's called Garten of BanBan. We're just gonna hit new game, and I'm probably gonna shit my pants, to be honest. Ooh, this looks nice. Oh my fuck. You guys can probably hear the keys. I'm sorry. I'm having a hard time. I've never played on PC like this. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong. Like me. Eat this dick, bitch. Can I press this button? Hell no, I can't. Bro, I'm having such a hard time. I'm not even joking. Can I grab that? Okay. Bet. Having mini arms allows me to help a lot more people. Slingerfline says... Wait, what's his name? Jumbo Josh? I hate people named Josh. If you're watching this and your name's Josh, I fucking hate you. Remote requires 2 batteries. Where do I find the batteries? Yeah, there's one. Alright, where's the other one? Oh, it's on the other side. Alright, bet. Listen, I don't get scared by horror games. I don't do that. Oh my god, that shit scared me. What is this? A drone? Use the left mouse button to use your toy. Do I press that button? With the drone? Okay, I'm going crazy right now. Wait, did it do something? Oh. Oh my god, bro. Is that a cock? What is that? Ew, he's kind of ugly. I don't know. I feel kind of like uncomfortable with this thing staring at me like that. Or just like give it a hug. Alright, never mind, it just left. It's probably because I called it ugly, bro. I ain't going in that hole. Oh, there's a glass right in front of me. Break that glass. Okay, never mind. I don't have a blue key card. I do. Oh! Oh my god, bro. Oh my goodness. What is he doing over there? What should we call him? Does he have a name? I'm just gonna leave my drone there. That guy's like pretty fucking loud. Ooh, I'm gonna stick my dick in! Find eggs to feed Opila Bird. Opila Bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it six eggs to get your prize. So I gotta find eggs. Alright, bet. This one here. Stop playing. I'm too good at this game, bro. Honestly. What is this? Bring a friend day stickers. Caution, peel slowly. I don't have any friends. Oh, there's one right there. Bro, I'm too good at this fucking game, bro. Honestly. I'm looking around the room because I'm actually kind of scared right now. I don't know why. Barely anything's happened and I'm still kind of scared. Bro, there's literally an egg right there. There's one up here. Stop playing. I'm probably just saying that's the same thing over and over again. How many eggs have I gotten? I actually haven't been counting. I'll give him some of the eggs. He's kind of hungry. Look at him. I can tell. This is the same face I make when I'm hungry. 1. Sounds like he's about to fart. I need 2 more. That was 4 eggs. Is this a button? That's a button right there. Go, John. I'm probably like just wasting time and I don't know where the fuck I'm going. Right there, you see it? There we go. Oh my god, bro. Shit scared me, you dumbass drone. Alright, I'll give him the egg, I guess. There you go, buddy. Actually, you know what? Drone, hit his ass. Alright, now hit his ass in the head. Right in the head. Right in the noggin. Hit his ass in the head. What the fuck, drone? He's my op. Oh my god. Bro. Oh, he hit him. Go. Hell yeah. You don't like that shit, don't you? Dumbass bird. Bro, what am I supposed to do? I actually don't know what to do. I'm confused. Come over here. Come over here. Okay, bro. Not right. Hit that. Hit the button. No, the button. Bro, what do I do then? Alright. This will probably take some time. I'll be right back. I need to figure this out. Guys, I found it. I swear I did. I swear I did. I'm just kidding. I searched that bitch up. Alright, hit that. And then you gotta go crazy. Bro, stop playing with me. There it is. Look at that. Why are you farting? Hold on. He gave me it. He gave me the key card. It's kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. Just don't try anything. Alright. Hit that. Start going crazy on the button. What's that noise? Oh shit, okay. My hammers? I'm about to hit him with the fucking hammers. Oh, there we go. See that? Bro, I'm too good. I'm too smart. Oh, his name is just Opila. Opila, you bitch. Oh, right there, right there, right there. I get to go on a little ride. What was my color? Okay, he was pink. Oh, okay. Bet. Green key card. Oh my fucking god. Bro. Hey, man. Oh my god. Wait, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Maybe he's nice. Maybe he's nice. Oh my god, he's running this way. Oh my god, he's running this way. Stop. What do you want from me? Hey. You want a shirt? You want, like... What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Stop. Bitch. No way, I just called him a bitch. I think I was supposed to press this. I can't press it. I can't press it. I can't press it. I can't. Let me go. Let me go. No. No. Let me go. Can I hit him with the thing? Drone, hit him. Hit his ass. Run him over. I'm not gonna... Bro, what do I... Drone! Drone, hit the button! Drone, hit the button! Drone, hit the button! Drone, hit the button. Hit the button, drone. Hit the button, drone. Bro, I hate how he... I can't. I lost. I'm an idiot. When the button turns red, I'm gonna need you to hit that button. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I hate... Oh my god, bro. I was gonna give him a little kiss. Alright, drone, I'm gonna need you to hit that button, like I said. Quickly. As swiftly as possible. I'll kiss you on your forehead. I swear to God, I will. Fuck you, bitch. Why do you keep running at me like that? Stop. No, hit the button. 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 Hit it. There we go. Stop, bitch. I don't condone any of this. I'm going right now. Fuck that shit. He's chasing me. Fucking dumbass. Do I hit this? Bitch. Ah! Oh my god. I thought he was gonna... Oh my goodness. Oh, he hit himself. Fucking idiot. Don't ever do that shit. First try it too. Alright, since I have the orange key card. Bro, imagine he's just standing right there. Oh, look at that. Don't hit the wall. Alright, thank you. Imagine I just see his dead body right there. Oh shit, never mind. No, I don't want to go in, I'm gonna be honest with you. Drone, yeah, I've been mean to you, I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like we can be some friends. We can be some friends. We can be friends now, Drone. You wanna come down with me? Alright, you still a bitch. W fart? What? Is that a cop? I feel like the bird was scarier, I'm not gonna lie. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe. Please like the video. The next video will be really good. I've been planning it out for a while now, but since I needed to upload something, I uploaded this. But thank you so much for watching, and the next video will be amazing. I promise. Thank you for watching, like I've said a million times.